Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out something seriously cool. It's called YouWare, an AI-powered app builder that literally lets you create an app just by chatting with AI. Imagine this, no coding, no complex setup. You just type or talk to the AI and boom, it builds a real working app for you. And the best part? You can start a project on your desktop and continue it right from your phone. So let's explore what YouWare can do, create our own AI app, and check out some creative projects made by other users. So YouWare isn't just another app builder. It's actually a vibe coders social media platform where you can build apps, explore projects from 400,000 plus creators, and even earn money from your creations. Let's get started. You can simply search YouWare on the App Store or Google Play, or if you're on desktop, go to youware.com/create. No download needed. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Create button. Click that and it opens up the main workspace. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a chat box at the bottom. This is where you tell the AI what kind of app you want. Let's try making something together. In the prompt box, I'll type, use the Nano-Banana API to create an image generator. Now, I just hit the arrow button and YouWare starts building it automatically. You can actually watch the AI write and structure your code, set up design components, and preview everything in real time. Let's try giving a prompt here to see if this app is working or not. I type here. A highly detailed, realistic portrait of a young adventurer standing on a cliff at sunset with a flowing cape, wind in their hair, and a distant mountain range in the background. Warm lighting, cinematic atmosphere, dramatic clouds, and vibrant colors. And click generate. Oh wow! It's working and generating a beautiful picture. Once it's ready, you can click Boost to instantly restyle your app's look. Or Publish to deploy it with a shareable URL. Completely free. Pretty awesome, right? Let's try another app. This time, we're going to create a mini social media app. Something like a simplified version of Instagram or Facebook. In the prompt box, I'll type, build a social feed app, where users can create posts, like and comment, and view other users' posts in real time. Then I hit the arrow button and YouWare gets to work. The AI sets up the post feed, comment sections, and like buttons automatically. Now let's test it. I create a post with an image and some text, and there it is, appearing in the feed instantly. I can add a comment, like it, and even see other test users' posts. Next, I can click Boost to style the app, change colors, layout, or font, all in one click. And when it's ready, Publish creates a shareable URL that anyone can access. This shows how you can make your very own social media app in minutes, without writing a single line of code. It's perfect for building small communities, fan pages, or just experimenting with ideas. Now, let's do something really fun. We're going to build a game. In the prompt box, I'll type, create a simple Android game app, where the player controls a character to collect coins and avoid obstacles, include scoring and levels. Then hit the arrow button and YouWare starts building the game automatically. Let's test it. I press play, control the character, collect coins, and see the score increase in real time. The AI even handles level progression, so the game gets a little harder as you advance. I can also click Boost to customize the game's graphics and layout, and Publish to get a shareable URL. Now anyone can play the game directly on mobile or desktop. This shows how easy it is to go from an idea to a fully playable game, all with just a chat prompt. Now let's check out what other creators are making. Another cool thing, YouWare has a creator incentive program. When you share your projects, you can actually earn real money based on engagement. Just open your wallet tab to check your credits. You can also sign up through their affiliate program and earn a 25% commission. The link is in the description. Want to earn rewards or crypto doing simple online tasks? Join Bounty Mission platform today and start getting paid instantly. Start chatting with the AI and build your first project. It could be your next big idea. Don't forget, the link is in the description and pinned comment, so make sure to click it and start creating today. And if you want me to build something specific with YouWare in the next video, drop your idea in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.